Good day, ma'am. I am Hanah Purgarillas from BSHM 3A, and I am going to discuss about Chapter 16. So here's our topic outline. Admission requirements, admission of aliens under pre-arranged employment, admission under the Balikbayan program, Philippine immigration policy or non-immigrant Chinese, passport requirements, Philippine passport, fantasy passports or camouflage passports, visa requirements, treaty trader or treaty investors, SUBEC special investors visa under RA 7227, special economic zone visa under RA 7916, special clerk economic zone visas under Executive Order number 80 of 1993, Cagayan Economic Zone and P4 visa under RA 97922, investor in tourist-related project or tourist establishment under Executive Order number 63, additional requirements prior to entry, extension of stay, deportation of foreigners, exclusion of foreigners, detention of foreign travelers, and lastly is exit requirements. So here's our learning objectives. Identify various government requirements for foreigners to enter the Philippines. Second is to explain the importance of a valid passport when traveling. Lastly is to enumerate the privileges of Filipino covered by the Balikbayan program. Entering the Philippines as a foreign national involves more than just booking a flight. It requires a thorough understanding of immigration laws designed to protect national security while welcoming global citizens. According to Section 10 of Philippine Immigration Law, all non-immigrants must present a valid and unexpired passport, along with the appropriate visa based on their purpose of visit. There are 7 recognized categories of non-immigrant visas. First is the temporary visitors, transients, seamen, treaty traders or investors, foreign government officials, students, and those with pre-arranged employment. It is important to note that only one visa category can be held at a time, emphasizing the importance of clarity and proper documentation from the outset. For foreign nationals intending to work in the country, a pre-arranged employment visa is required and must be obtained through a Philippine consulate, with prior authorization from the Commissioners of Immigration. Meanwhile, the Philippines also recognizes the value of reconnecting with its diaspora through the Balikbayan program. This initiative allows former Filipino citizens, overseas Filipino workers, and their families to return and stay in the country for up to 1 year without a visa, as long as they possess valid foreign passports and are not from restricted countries. The country has also made adjustments in its immigration policies for certain nationalities. For Chinese nationals, 5 major classifications are observed, including those from mainland China, Hong Kong and Macau, SARS, Taiwan, and holders of certificates of identity. Indian nationals, on the other hand, must apply for a visitor visa from their home country or place of legal residence. Past deportation or visa denials may affect their re-entry. Restrictions on South African nationals were lifted in 1993, following the UN's removal of sanctions granting them regular entry privileges like other nationalities. Passports remain the most vital travel document, serving as proof of identity and nationality. In the Philippines, passports are issued by the Department of Foreign Affairs. Travelers should beware of fantasy or camouflage passports, which are not recognized as legitimate documents. These are typically issued by fictitious entities or defunct countries and are strictly prohibited. A visa, meanwhile, is an official stamp or endorsement indicating that the applicant has been reviewed and allowed to proceed to the Philippines. However, possession of a visa does not guarantee entry, as immigration officers at ports of entry make the final decision. Those seeking to do business in the Philippines can apply for visas under treaties or special economy laws. Jetty traders and investors are granted entry for business activities under existing agreements. Additionally, under Republic Act 7916 and 7922, foreign investors who inject at least $150,000 into businesses within designated economic zones, like Cagayan's Special Economic Zone, are granted permanent residency along with their families. These investors enjoy freedom for movement in and out of the zones without needing additional authorization from Bureau of Immigration. Before entering the country, non-immigrants are also required to present a valid return ticket or proof of onward travel. Those staying beyond 59 days must register with the Bureau of Immigration, pay the necessary fees, and apply for an extension. Foreign nationals must follow these steps diligently to avoid issues during their stay. The law also outlines who may be denied entry under Section 29, such as those with criminal records or previous immigration violations. Section 37 allows for the deportation of aliens who commit serious offenses, while Section 25 permits immigration officers to temporarily detain arriving foreigners while assessing their admissibility. When it comes to departure, foreign nationals must secure an exit clearance certificate from the Bureau of Immigration. This ensures that their stay has been lawful and that all obligations to the Philippine government have been fulfilled. This step helps maintain order and accountability for those leaving the country, whether temporarily or permanently. In summary, Philippine immigration laws are structured to balance openness with responsibility. While the country warmly welcomes students, workers, investors, and tourists from around the world, it does so with policies rooted in legal compliance, national safety, and mutual respect. Understanding and adhering to these guidelines ensures a smooth and enriching experience for all who come to engage with the vibrant life and opportunities the Philippines offers. So I think that's all for my report. Thank you.